Hi everyone, this is Heather Lahtinen from the Flourish Academy, and today we will lessen the impact of glare on her glasses inside of Photoshop. But first, make sure you visit our website at www.flourish.academy to learn more about all of our courses and join us in our private Facebook community group where we support photographers of all levels. And make sure you check out our sponsor, ymcamera.com, for all of your photography needs. They often ship faster than Prime, and you will be supporting a small family-owned business. My friend Rebecca recently sent me this photo and asked if there was a way to lessen the glare in her glasses. Now, in this case, it would be actually really difficult to remove it, not impossible. You can do anything in Photoshop, but I wanted to show you a quick technique to just lessen the impact. I'm going to begin by creating a duplicate of the background layer with Command or Control J on the keyboard. I'm going to press B in order to select my brush tool. Let's make this smaller with the left bracket key. I think I might need to zoom in even a little bit more. And what I'm going to do is hold down Alt or Option in order to get the eyedropper tool, and I'm going to click to select that color. And then I'm just going to start brushing over this glare. And you're like, well, that doesn't look good. And then I hold down Alt or Option over here because this is like an eyebrow area. So that, okay. And here, click and then brush. But what we're going to do is change the blending mode from normal to color. And now, if you can see, I'm turning the visibility of that layer on and off. It has just removed that blue color and it's replaced it with the color that is surrounding. So all we have to do is hold down Alt or Option and click to select a new source color and then just brush over that area. So click and just brush. And if you get the wrong color there, like now I'm starting to get this line, what I could do is undo that with a Command or Control Z on the keyboard. And you know what I think is better? Maybe we should lower the opacity of our brush. That way we can sort of build up. Yeah, that looks much better. That works much better. So this area up here near her eyebrow, I actually want to select this slightly darker color and just brush over that. Then I'm holding down Alt or Option again in this area, brushing over, Alt, Option, click. I'm doing this really quickly because, I want to show you that it can be done actually really quickly. It gets a little bit tricky in her eye area because she does have blue eyes. So I might just kind of like brush over this area because what I'm doing is I'm actually getting rid of the blue from the glare, but she has blue eyes. So I'm clicking and brushing over all of these different areas, but not her eye. So let's move over to this side. Alt, Option, click, just like brush here, Alt, Option, click, brush, Alt, Option, click. I know, seems repetitive. You just want to make sure that you're sampling new areas to get the color that is nearby. If you wanted to get crazy and try to remove this glare completely, I mean, feel free. But if I zoom out, Command or Control minus all the way out, like this photo was out here, and look at the before and after, I've just lessened the impact by removing the color of the glare. That's what I was doing. Let's zoom in again. And if you look at before and after, you can really see it there. And you could keep building that up. Because I reduced the opacity of my brush, you might need to brush over it several times, but I promise you this works. Now, if you have harsh lines from the glare, then at that point we would need to turn to our healing tools, but this is a quick way to just lessen the impact. I hope that you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.